My version of Mapo tofu looks red and spicy, but it is in fact quite mild. I do not use Sichuan peppercorn in this recipe as I do not like the tongue numbing or mala sensation. We start by cutting the silken tofu into cubes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to 2 cups of boiling water. Add tofu and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. This is to firm up the tofu and prevent it from breaking up during cooking. I have cooked this dish with and without boiling the tofu in advance. I must say that boiling it in advance do enhance the flavor and texture of the tofu. You should do it if you have the time. After 2 minutes, remove and set it aside. We also need 1 marinated minced chicken thigh, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of spicy doubanjiang, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a bowl of water. Saute the garlic briefly. Add the minced chicken. Add spicy doubanjiang. Chili powder, and half a bowl of water. When the sauce is boiling, add the tofu and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, This is ready after 5 minutes. Enjoy!